while I'm waiting on them to show up today, um, I'm up on the third floor doing, uh, just looking around, seeing what's changed. I see some stuff on the floor that's come out of the ceiling up there. So that's going to be a continuing thing there until I get up there and do some work. But I'm not going to do that work until after I'm totally moved out of that other building. That's when I'll start doing more, uh, I guess, construction related type of work here. It's not demolition, and I'm not going to be adding to the building or anything, so I don't think I need a permit from the city to do anything. I'll just go in there and I'll just kind of clean all that up, the walls and the ceiling, kind of get some of that off of there. I'll poke my head up through there with a flashlight and look around, just to see if there's any structural stuff that I need to improve on. I don't know that I'll tear anything out. I'll probably just take the loose stuff off and then put, I mean, it makes sense to put drywall up, but like in that room's got the ceiling's lowered down. It's kind of like a false ceiling. So there's space between that ceiling and the real ceiling. So I'll probably end up doing that in this room as well. But I'll just have to look and see. You know, when I get up there and start working on all that, then I'll know more. But in the meantime, I'm in here. I'm doing odds and ends. Not really accomplishing much right now. Just more of looking around, seeing what I need to do. And I did move a couple of boxes up from downstairs. But this is my project room. And in here, electronics, computers, desk, shelves with my books. I'll put me some curtains up over the window because, you know, I don't need to glare on my computer monitors, but I like having the window and the natural lighting coming in. So over here next to the window, I'm thinking that I might just build a nice little workbench there and have maybe some drawers down in it, kind of like a desk workbench, and then some shelving up above it. Because that wall and this wall, you know, I can drill into and everything like that. The outside walls are the thick brick, right, and plaster on the brick. So I don't want to be hammering or nailing into the outside walls. But this wall and this wall I can, but that is plenty of wall space to put in shelving. So after I get the ceiling done, the wiring for the lighting, and then some wiring going down through these walls for outlets. And then I have some wiring, I guess maybe, I don't know how I'm going to get it on these two walls, but I don't know, maybe down along the bottom, say like from that wall, have wiring coming out and have the conduit, you know, the conduit, the electrical, the conduit that's recommended for electrical. So I'd run the piping. It's kind of like PVC, but it's not. It's something different, different color, of course. Run that, but have the wiring run through it, and have it go up to my outlets and my power strips here for my workbench. So probably what I'll end up doing is having separate wiring all the way to the breaker box for my workbenches, totally separate from my office and my other workbench here. I think it makes sense because what I do over here will probably draw a lot more current, a lot more electrical current. So So I've been rolling things through my head, trying to, you know, figure out what's my next step, what's my next move, what makes the most sense right now, you know, and what I do right now affects what I do next week or the week after, right? So every little puzzle piece that I do affects everything from now on. So I'm thinking into the future about how I would do the project in order to help me make the right puzzle piece or right move. I think I'm hearing rain. Yeah, I'm hearing rain on the roof. Okay. That rain, I looked at the weather. We're supposed to have scattered thunder showers today. So that may actually be a little bit of a hindrance to, you know, getting some things done today, moved, or, you know. But we'll see how it turns out. But you understand what I mean about planning ahead, trying to work the puzzle, you know. Some things will be based on finances. Other things will be based on my time availability. And then other things will be based on will other people be available to help me do some things. So I'm trying to think of all that, trying to get it all in. But I don't have just this room to work on. I've got a whole other building over there. And I got this entire building. So I'm just trying to plan it all out and make sure it works. And I don't want anybody to get hurt in the process, physically or emotionally or whatever. I just want everybody to be happy and get through it. And so give me a little time and come back and check out my videos, and you'll see what I do in my workshop and the rest of the building as well.